Good morning, kids. I hope you all are fit and fine. Animals are our friends. Be kind to animals always. That was our story of Buck and Luck. Remember, a boy and a cute little duckling? How Buck used to take care of the duckling. Buck took the duckling from the ditch to his house and made a cute little cardboard box for the duckling. Remember? But then when grandma saw the duckling in the box, the cardboard box, she said Buck that you should leave her in the ditch again, because that is where her house is and her father must be looking for her. So Buck did that. He obeyed her grandma and he went and left the duckling in the ditch, and he used to go and meet the duckling every day. And one day when he went to meet the duckling, he saw that duckling siblings and father was there in the pond, right? And how did Luck used to behave? Whenever Luck saw duck, she used to waddle slowly and reach first to meet Buck. That is what the story was all about, kids. That is what animal care is. We should love them, we should treat them properly, we should look after them, right? And today I am going to tell you the words to know and the other activities of this lesson. So kids, if you see on page number 15, the first thing, if you were an animal, which animal would you be? How would you like to be treated by humans? Paste a picture of that animal in that given box. So now, if you get a chance to become an animal, what animal would you like to be? Okay, now paste that animal's picture in the box and write 2-3 lines about that animal, that how you want humans to treat them, right? Do that when you have your free time. Now let's see words to know. Ditch, a long narrow opening of water in the ground. So it is a long opening where the water is flowing. It is a part of a pond or a part of a river or a small field, a small a narrow opening जहाँ से पानी बहता रहता है. छोटे छोटे आपने ditches देख रखे होंगे ना, वैसा. Waddle, walk with short steps swinging side to side. Duck क्या करती है पानी में? Waddle करती है. जैसे हम चलते हैं, duck waddle करती है पानी में, swim करती है धीरे 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 धीरे. Snuggled, to lie in a comfortable way next to someone or something. तो किसी के पास आराम से लेट जाना. कैसे हो गया था? जैसे बक ने लक को अपने हाथ में उठाया था, वो कैसे स्नगल्ड कर गई थी, वो उसके हाथ में कैसे प्यार से बैठ गई थी कंफर्टेबली. दैट इज व्हाट स्नगल्ड इज. स्ट्रोल, वॉक इन स्लो रिलैक्स्ड वे. इवनिंग वॉक्स होती हैं, मॉर्निंग वॉक जब आपके ग्रैंडफादर ग्रैंडमदर जाते हैं उनको स्ट्रोल बोलते हैं. अफेक्शनेटली, विद लव. yes, affectionately means with love, with care, be kind. Okay, now be mindful. Animals are always mindful. They are always attentive and aware of their surroundings. Watch how a cat is always on the lookout for dog to avoid danger, and you will learn how mindful animals are. They also help each other. Birds like oxpecker remove insect and ticks from buffalo. Can you think of an animal where you have seen animals helping each other? Find about them. So it is not just human जो एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं बच्चों, animals भी एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं. जैसे एक ऑक्सपेकर करके एक बर्ड होती है जो बफेलोज में से एंड ये जो फ्लाइज होती हैं और टिक्स होती है ना, एनिमल्स में जो टिक्स लग जाती है वो निकालती हैं. वैसे ही अगर आपने देखा होगा कभी मंकीज़ को, मंकीज़ क्या करते हैं, एक दूसरे के हमेशा टिक्स निकालते रहते हैं और वो फ्लाइज भगाते रहते हैं. सो दैट इज़ द वे दे हेल्प ईच अदर. ऑल्सो लुक आउट, फाइंड आउट अदर एनिमल्स जो एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं. ओके किड्स, नाउ लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स. Why was the duckling scared? The duckling was scared because when he saw Buck, जैसे Buck बुश से अपना चेहरा बाहर निकालता है, वो छोटा सा डकलिंग उसे देख के डर जाता है, घबरा जाता है. Why did Buck take the duckling home? क्यों लेके गया था बक डकलिंग को? Because he saw that the duckling was alone in the ditch and was scared. So he took the baby home. What did Buck do to keep the duckling safe? Buck made a cardboard house for the duckling to keep her safe. What did Buck's grandma tell the children? क्या बोला था बक्स की ग्रैंडमा ने? That you have done a very nice job, right? You have done a kind job. Now you have to do a kinder job by leaving the duckling back into the ditch. Yes. Was the duckling happy to return to the pond? Yes, the duckling was very happy because finally she met her parents and her brothers and sisters. Now complete the sentence with one word from the box. Buck was playing in the park with his friends. The duckling was frightened to see Buck. The boy made a house for the duckling with the cupboard box. Buck wanted to name the duckling Luck. Grandmother told the children to take Luck back to the pond. Luck loved Duck and would always waddle to him first. Circle the correct sentence from the story. Buck was not kind to duckling. The boy left the duckling in the cardboard box. Buck wanted to keep the duckling. Buck did a kind thing by taking the duckling back to the pond, but the boy never visited the duck. So what did the Buck do? Buck did a kind thing by taking the duck to the pond again. Now we will see activity D, where we will find the words. An unexpected event, surprise. You wear it on your eyes. आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स पहनते होंगे, ग्रैंड मदर, ग्रैंड फादर. Spectacles. To be gentle, to be kind. To look after someone, to take care of someone. मम्मी करती है ना आपकी, मॉम डैड आपकी टेक केयर करते हैं ना. Cute and lovable, adorable. A small water body is pond. Now children, on page number 19 we will see subject connect. Sometimes we compare one thing with another to describe it. For example, Buck felt his heart melt like an ice cream on a hot day. This is known as simile. Similar words, right? Let us look at some common similes used in English language. For example, as brave as lion, as blind as bat, as busy as bee, and as cold as an ice cream. Now you make sentences with these similes. Okay, I will tell you one sentence like as brave as lion. That means very brave, जिसको किसी भी चीज़ का डर नहीं हो. For जैसे कि for example, Ram was as brave as a lion and he saved his friend's life. As busy as bee. Rohan is busy as bee completing his assignment. As cold as an ice. That means very unfriendly. So Sita can be as cold as an ice whenever she wants to be. So Sita can be unfriendly whenever she wants to be. Like this you make sentences of your own whenever you have time. Now let's see value for life. Have you ever seen people being unkind to animals? Can you think of any two ways in which you can help these animals? Right here. So if you have seen people being very unkind to animals, कोई पत्थर मार देता है, कोई भगा देता है, कोई बाइक पे जाता है तो उनको डराता है हॉर्न करके. So now you think what are the two ways in which you can help these animals, children, and write those two ways in the empty space which is there in your book on page number 19. Right, now let's do the activity which is there on page number 20. Look at animal and write their names in the boxes next to them. Complete the puzzle to find out secret word in the blue box. Now fill the blank with the secret word in the sentence below. So let's see, the first animal is hippo, second is goat, third is lion, fourth is bird, fifth is dog, sixth is grasshopper, seventh is fly, and 8 is fish. Now see what are the alphabets which are in the blue box, and what it makes? It makes the word holidays. Holidays are good time to help at an animal shelter. Yes. So we should always be loving and kind towards animal. Treat them as you want humans to treat them, right? And you should always help them, give them food, give them water if you can, children, and be nice to them. So that is all about Bugs Luck, children. I hope you have learned a story of taking care and being compassionate with animals. I'll see you in the next class with one more new story. Till that time, you take care of yourself and keep washing your hands. Bye bye. Take care.